Hi dearies, welcome back to my channel. This is Ahviworld. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make these beautiful large rose flowers. Can you see that? They look nice, right? Can you believe that these roses were made out of a waste bag I ought to have disposed long time ago, but I decided to just keep it there, and I stumbled into it and I decided to try this out and it works. So if you want to learn how to make this, stay tuned. Let's get started. Here are the materials we're going to need for these large rows, for making large rows for your decorations, to decorate your homes and events as well. Like I said earlier on, these large rows, I'm going to be making it out of this waste bag. This is a traveling bag. You can see it's torn, and I've been thinking of what to do with it, and I came up with this idea. It's a leather bag. Okay, if you have something like this, you could try it as well, and use it to decorate your home. You can see it has some flower design in it, so I'm going to go ahead and start cutting it. I will also need a UHU and a candle glue. Okay, I may not need this, but as time goes on, I will let you know. What I'm going to do, I'm going to cut out three sizes. The first of it, okay, before cutting out the sizes, I need to cut it out of this place first of all, so it can be easy for me. Okay, so I'll go ahead now and cut. I cut out this piece already. I'm still going to go ahead and cut the remaining one, but before then, let me just quickly show you the measurement so that I can cut it off camera. Okay, the first measurement we're going to need here is 3 by 3 inches. The next one is 4 by 4 inches, and the next one is 5 by 5 inches. Okay, so that's one for 3 by 3 inches. At the time we curve it, it's going to reduce to 2.5. The other one will reduce to 3.5, and the other one will reduce to 4.5. Okay, so here is what I'm going to do. I'm going to mark my 3-inch here like so. So here is my 3 by 3. Okay, I'm going to go ahead now and cut everything 3 by 3, 4 by 4, 5 by 5, and get back to us. Here are they. You can see I dissected the whole bag. Is this not amazing? Nothing is wasted. Okay, so I'm going to throw this up now. Then here are they. I have 6, 6, and 4. Okay, 6, 6, and 4. So what I'm going to do now, I'll pick one of it and fold it in half like this. Just try to press here down. Thereafter, I'm going to I'm going to draw a heart shape or a love shape. And you should know that the highest point of this is going to be 2.5, like I said earlier on. Okay, so I will mark my highest point here, 2.5. Then I'm just going to go and curve down a little bit like so. Just a freehand sketch. Then I'll draw it to this side. Here's what I have. So I'm going to go ahead now and trim it. When I open it, I'm going to have a love shape like this or a heart shape like this. I hope you can see. This is what we have. So now I'm going to pick, I'll do the same to the rest of it. Then I'll pick the middle one. Instead of trying to sketch again, I will just fold it in half like so. Thereafter, I'll place this over it. Okay. Once I place it over it, the highest point of this is going to be 3.5. So I'll mark my 3.5 right here. Then I'll go ahead and sketch again, just draw it down, go like this and curve it. Make sure this down part follow the same, like follow is on the same line with it. Can you see that? So I'm gonna go ahead now and cut it out. Now I have a bigger heart. Okay, so I'll pick the larger one, fold it like so again, and the highest point of this is gonna be 4.5, right? 4.5. Place it right here. My 4.5 is here, that's the highest point. So I'm gonna go ahead and just shape it like so. Same way I did to the other one, so I'll trim it off. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the rest of them. Here are they, I finished cutting all. So what I'm going to do now, I'll try to locate the midpoint of each of them, then just tear it open like so. Not too much, like this is okay, okay? You can see it, right? So that's how I'm going to do it. So I'm going to do same to all of them. I hope we all know this carton. This is UHU pack. So I'm going to just open it. Have something like this. So I'm trying to create a base for these rows, okay? I didn't really take any particular measurements, just something not too wide. I'm trying to shape it to give me a hexagon shape. See this shape, hexagon, right? So this is the shape we form. So right now we're going to add some glue here and form it. Before adding the glue, I'm going to go ahead, this edge, we're going to just roll it backward. This is a skewer stick, okay? I'll use it to just roll it backwards like this to have that curvy flower shape, okay? You could use anything to roll, it doesn't matter. You can use toothpick, use anything at all. Just hold it right there, then release. Now after turning each of the sides, what I'm going to do, this place I'll just add some glue here, not too much. Then this other one, I'll place it over it like this, okay, to give it that a little bit curve. I'll repeat same for all others. Here are the big ones. I'm going to start with the big ones. So first of all, I'll add some glue generously to this base. So I'll pick one of it, add some glue here, and place it in one of the angles here. Okay, pick the next one. Slightly place it over it. When you want to place the last one, you simply raise the first one up a little bit like so. Okay. Then you slot it in like this. Okay. Then I'll add some more glue to seal up this place. And for the second layer, I'll pick one of it and start adding glue again. Placing it over in between these angles, or where the petals are joined together. That's where I'm going to place it like so. Pick the next one, repeat the same thing. Like I said, always raise the first one up so that you can place it like this. Okay. So now just add some glue to seal here up. And the last layer, I'm picking the last one, adding my glue, and repeat the same thing. Here I have it. Then I'm just gonna put this rose inside. This is the paper rose. These are sticky notes. So I'll add some glue and add it here. I will also teach you how to make this. For now, I don't know which of the video I'm going to post first, either this or this. So whichever way, you will still learn how to do this. Okay, so don't be scared. Don't worry about that. I'll teach you how to do it. Wow, is this not lovely? This is nice. All I need you to do is begin to hit the subscribe button now if you know you like this video, because I'm going to be bringing you a lot of new designs that you could use to decorate your home from materials you have at home. You don't need to go far, you don't need to go anywhere to go and source for material to decorate your home. Wow, this is amazing. Let me show you the other one. Here are they. I made two lovely white roses. Are they not nice? I'm going to use them to decorate my wall so you can see it. Wow, this is lovely. See how lovely they are? Wow. Can you believe this was made from a waste bag? A bag that I'm supposed to dispose of. I just kept it, and here is it. Wow, this is amazing. If you like this video, begin to hit the subscribe button and give us a big thumbs up. Wow.
This is Ahviworld.